Online image generation platforms now offer storyboard, short movie, and music video generators. Today, we'll take a look at the FreePeak platform. If we go to Tools and then Variations, we can see many different modes. One of them is the storyboard option. We'll select that. I'll upload an image of a steampunk girl wearing a red tie and a leather jacket. In the prompt, I'll write, "The character is running away from a dinosaur in the jungle and escapes into a village." We get a set of storyboard images generated. The system creates a scene-by-scene sequence based on the short synopsis I provided. First, the woman is in the jungle. Then, a dinosaur appears. She starts running as the dinosaur chases her. Next, we see a village in the distance. She runs into the village, followed by a final scene of her inside. That matches the prompt we gave. Now let's view the sequence as a video. I'll add sound effects and music. Isn't that amazing? You just enter one sentence, and the AI generates a full sequence of short, movie-like clips. Today, I want to show you a workflow I'm working on. It's a storyboard generator. You can start with a simple one-line sentence from a script. You can also write longer stories. The system adapts to your synopsis. Here, you enter the prompt and then load a character image. I loaded a steampunk woman wearing a red tie and a leather jacket. The prompt is, the character is lost in the jungle and attacked by a dinosaur. It's just a one-line story. The workflow then generates a detailed narrative from it. You load the narration voice here. This is the storyteller voice. The workflow is still a work in progress. It was working earlier, but I had to revamp and rebuild many parts. This includes several custom nodes. Using the qwen VL node, I generate the story scene beats. These beats are then split into detailed scene prompts. Each prompt is used to generate the story script. Here you can see the scene prompt along with the generated image and the narrated audio for that scene. This section generates the audio narration for each scene. Below that is the image processing section. I've also added a video generation section. It uses qwen 2.2 to create motion video from the images. This workflow is designed to quickly create short animations by first generating a storyboard from your script. I'll be adding this workflow to Patreon for my supporters who help me keep exploring AI and generative art. Thank you all.